on behalf of Tripura Heritage School. So today we all have gathered here for debate competition, and our classes 9th and 11th are participating classes. So today we are going to discuss the very important and current issues, that is social media, technology and climate change. So our very talented students from class 9th and 11th educate all of us about all these burning issues of today. So first of all, I will start the competition by calling out the 9th class students. So let me tell you, first of all, there will in this debate competition we will be having two teams. One will be speaking for the motion and one will be speaking against the motion. Okay. So for the motion, team will speak all the points that are favoring the topic, and against the motion, the student will speak the points that are against the topic or the disadvantages of the topics. So you can start.
What a world it is, with everyone busy on their phones all the time, faking their lives and keeping account of their lives. Good morning, Honorable Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my birthday opponents. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to join this debate on the topic social media and its effect. I am Amandeep Chaudhary and I would like to speak against the motion. Social media. Social media. Excessive use of social media may increase feelings of anxiety and depression, especially in teens and young adults. Social media activates the brain's reward center by releasing dopamine. Dopamine is a feel-good chemical which is linked to pleasurable activities. It has now become doubtful to say the point that goes like, technology was developed to save our lives and makes our lives easier.
I am Nashandeep and today I would like to speak in the favor of motion. Firstly, social media is proved to be really helpful and effective in communicating and connecting with our relatives and family members which are parted from us by distance. We can stay connected to them by using various multimedias like videos, photos and etc. And we can also make new friends on the basis of our interests, as social media platforms collect information about our online behavior and interests, indirectly connecting us to people with similar interests and hobbies.
Good morning everyone, Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, esteemed judges, respected teachers and our worthy opponents. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to join this debate on the topic social media. I am Arpit and I would like to speak against the motion. Here I have some disadvantages of social media. Number one is mental health. Social media can be addictive. It can make you feel stressed and anxious. So, cyberbullying can happen. It affect on your mental health. Number two is relationship. It can weaken friendship. Face-to-face conversation decreases and people share fake personalities. Number three is privacy. Personal data can be stolen. Online tracking invades privacy. Ads target you based on your data. Scams occur easily. Fake news spreads easily.
Good morning everyone, respected Principal Ma'am, Honorable Chairman Sir and esteemed judges and my worthy opponents. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to participate in this debate. Today I would like to speak against the motion. Social media can be very useful for many things, but there are so many negative impacts of social media, like privacy. Anyone could invade in your privacy at any time, and it can be stolen by hackers and scammers. Second, addictiveness. It can be very addictive for children and teenagers.
Teachers and my worthy opponents, thank you for giving me the opportunity to join this debate on topic technology. I am Janvi and I would like to speak against the motion. Technology has given us many benefits, but that doesn't mean that its negative consequences can be ignored. Technology has contributed to social isolation as people increasingly communicate through screens rather than face-to-face interactions. It results in weakening in social skills and empathy, and the quality of relationship get worse. Increased screen time has contributed to loneliness, anxiety, and depression.
Okay, next participant is Sanya from class 11.
Good morning everyone, respected judges, teachers and my worthy opponents. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to join this debate on the topic technology. I am Sania and I would like to speak in the favor of motion. So let us discuss about what is technology. Technology is a knowledge or set of tools that helps make the things easier or resolve problem. For example, the pen is one of the first human technology that made it easier for humans to record their previous actions. Now the next generation, the smartphone, could also be considered a further evolution of technology that made us easier to share things from anywhere, like it is a mini computer in our pockets. Now let's discuss about its positive impact. Communication, access to information, healthcare. It also increases the productivity, extend lifespan. Not only this, it has lot of business benefits.
Morning everyone, honorable judges, teachers and my worthy opponents, thank you for giving me opportunity to join this debate on the topic technology. I am Anish and I would like to speak in favor of the motion. Technology has done wonders in our life. It has provided us with so many fascinating things and opportunities that one would never have thought about. There is a great deal of good that technology can be used for in time of crisis, natural disaster, and as we have seen recently, global pandemic like COVID-19. So how we use this tool at our disposal? Number one, coordinate relief effort. Think of how difficult it would be to manage relief efforts without technology. Scheduling healthcare workers, supply chain management and production is all made possible by technological advancement. Number two, staying informed. News broadcasts, digital work
Have begun and I would like to speak against the motion. People use social media to post their likings, dislikings or to express their feelings for different things. Modern social media may offer opportunities to contribute for face-to-face connection if used well, but it also amplifies the feeling of disconnections. When looking at the downsides of social media, excessive usage, depression, stress and more. Now I would like to educate you some important disadvantages of social media that should be considered. First is mental health impact. Social media may often contribute to anxiety, stress, depression and other mental health issues due to constant comparison and pressure to present a perfect life.
I am Arushi and I would like to speak against the motion. There are several disadvantages of social media. Here are few. Number one is privacy. Social media can collect a lot of personal data which can be used for advertising or sold to third party. This can lead to decrease in privacy. Number second is cyberbullying. The anonymity of social media can make it easier for people to harass and stalk others online.
I am Tanvi and I would like to speak in favor of the motion. We all use technology for all sorts of things, from communicating and performing tasks to learning, accessing and information, and so much more. Technology allows people to stay in touch with their families and their mates, and they can also easily coordinate with their co-workers. Technology can help workers to work more efficiently and effectively.
Favor of the motion. Technology make it easier for team to work together and for business to talk to customers. First, improve quality of life. Technology.
I am Kishore and I would like to speak in favor of the motion. Let's start. Today the world is totally dependent on social media. It is difficult to find someone who doesn't use social media. Through social media, people can easily communicate with others sitting at any corner of this big world. Social media is the best and instant way of communication. Social networking is actually not a bad thing to do, but we should be conscious while using it. Importance of social media, that is collaboration, communication, critical thinking and creativity. These are some skills which will be help of people is learning and becoming the better leaders for the tomorrow each and every new day. Social media brought a lot of benefits for the youth. Social media brings out creativity within youth. It creates changes in the lifestyle of the people, making them more ambitious than before and focused on achieving their social goals.
I would like to speak against the motion. However, we must also acknowledge the downside. Excessive use of social media can lead to addiction and affect mental health. Here I would like to share some disadvantages of social media. Privacy. Social media can make children target for predator and hacker. Cyberbullying. Social media can lead to online harassment. Laziness. Social media can make people lazy. Expose of inappropriate content. Social media can expose the content which is not age appropriate.
I am Shivani and I would like to speak in against the motion. For many years now, human beings have always come up with the things that help to solve their problems they encounter, and more importantly, to make their world and lives better. Technology is one of the things that human beings have developed to make their lives easier. Technology is the combination of process, methods, skills and techniques that are used for the production of services and goods, or in some cases for the production of some special things, such as in scientific investigation. Technology has improved and transformed the education in many parts of the world.
Today, I am here with valid reasons to diminish technology, and there are many ethical reasons why technology should not develop more. The technology which is spreading widely nowadays creates the weakening among the people bondings. Nowadays, people prefer online communication instead of meeting face to face, which creates people lazy.
I would like to speak for the motion. What is social media? Means of interaction among the people in which they create and exchange information by virtual network. Social media vast amount of information and resources. User can stay updated from current events, trends, and development in various fields. It also gives educational opportunities through online courses, and tutorials. It keeps us updated about everything going in look and corner of the world on real-time basis.
And I would like to speak in favor of social media. Social media can be a positive force in society if used responsibly. Here are some arguments in favor of social media. Social media can be a catalyst for a positive change in society by raising awareness, educating the people, and mobilizing communities. It can also amplify the voices of marginalized groups and shed light on important issues.
I would like to speak against the motion. It has now become doubtful to trust the saying that goes like technology was developed to save time and makes our lives easier. But it takes a lot of efforts and discipline to stay away from social media. Results have shown that it has adverse effect on human mind and functioning. No doubt it provides access to...
I am Sharwood and I would like to speak in favor of the motion. Social media. Social media is a tool that is becoming quite popular these days because of its user-friendly features. It is an online platform where we can share our thoughts, news, information, pictures and videos to each other. There are various social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, etc. We all use them to communicate and socialize locally as well as globally. Now, I would like to talk about some benefits of social media. Social media platform enables people to connect with friends and families regardless of geographical distances. We can share our thoughts on social media websites which can help in building a positive society. Social media also provides opportunities.
Speak against the motion. What is social media? Means of interaction among people in which they create, share or exchange information and ideas in virtual network. Now I would like to speak some disadvantages of social media. Number 1, mental health. Social media can be detrimental to mental health, contributing to depression and low self-esteem. Number 2, bullying. Social media can be a platform for bullying and harassment. Number 3, Social media can be addictive, acting similarly to gambling or recreational drugs.